Hi guys, this is Sushant and today I am going to show you an unboxing of the power supply unit Thunder 500 watt from Cooler Master. So let us get started for the unboxing. So here is what the power supply unit Thunder from Cooler Master. This particular piece I have purchased from the local market here at Mumbai, India. This does cost me around 3000 rupees. I'm going to build my system with the Hoswell power supply, the Hoswell processor, that is i5, along with the motherboard of B85M D3 Edge. And this power supply Thunder Cooler Master is Hoswell certified. So I'm using this particular power supply for my system build. So let us see what we get inside the power supply unit. So here is the box is neatly packed. And this particular power supply is designed into the Taiwan and designed at the Taiwan, and it is made in China. This is what. Okay, so here is what the power supply unit. It is having a 3-year warranty, which is high dual 12 watt output. And this particular power supply does have the UK type plug, which I hope can be used at India. Let us unbox the same. Okay, so inside we do get the manual. Yes, it is a multilingual manual in different language: English, France, Dutch. Okay. Along with that, we do get the cord. This is the UK style. Apart from this we do get screws to be used to mount at my case, which is Corsair 200R. And finally the power supply unit. This is very heavy, around 2.5 kgs of weight, and several pins which I'm going to connect to. Here is to connect to a motherboard. Let us see how does it look from inside. Okay, so it is very neatly packed, and here is what the power supply unit, very elegant look. So this side is all the wires, nothing over this side. Here is the power adapter jack, the switch, and the unit components inside. And this is the label of Cooler Master Thunder 500 watt power supply unit. So this is what we get into the box, and the power cord. I hope you must have enjoyed this unboxing. Please do rate and subscribe for more info. Thank you very much.